from the provider MDLHOBBY. It's a 1.5 to 3 millimeter. You have a 1.5, 2 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter, and 3.0 millimeter. Nice large white fonts on a gray handle and gold tips. The heads of the hex bolts are titanium steel tips. This is a 1.5 millimeter. Got a nice handle design. Easy to grip. The other three, strong and rugged. With the MDLHOBBY logo printed on the handle, as we take the screw, bolt, they fit nice and rugged, getting the correct size and locking down. The 2 millimeter fits into the receiver's area, taking off the bolt. Got a nice grip, fits in there. And easy to close up. And lock down. With the 2 millimeter into the side, loosening up, taking out the stem, and placing into a drill bit, and placing back in to adjust the height you require, and locking down. From short to long, we are a hex bolt toolkit for kit. Enjoy your MDLHOBBY toolkit. Thank you for viewing.